Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Clipboard Manager application. With this app you can have multiple objects copied. That could be text, clipboard images or even files, up to 9, and paste it whichever you want, anywhere you want. So first you can download it using the link in the description or this website. After you install it, this will automatically add to startup. So for instance, I copied those 19 files in here. If I make new folder and I want to paste it again, I can press Ctrl+Shift+V, which will create a window that says there is 90 files copied. I can press it and paste it here. I can do Ctrl+Shift+V and pressing 1 will paste fish-tail list. You can also copy the text or even clipboard images. For instance, if I edit it, copy the part of the image, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+U. Okay, now copy the text again. If I want to paste some text, I'm gonna press Ctrl+Shift+V, choose the text I want to paste, and then I can do the same with the image, Ctrl+Shift+V and 2 to paste. Also, you can get the window back, press Ctrl+Shift+V. You can delete any of the list from here by hovering it and pressing Shift.Delete. And if you want to save one of them in the list, so multiple copies won't replace it, hover it and press Ctrl+P. You will see a little pin here. This will allow us to copy multiple items and multiple texts, anything we want, but this won't be replaced. I'm gonna continue copying. As you can see, it's now 9th place. And even if I copy new things, it stays the 9th. And if you want to delete them, just hover the 1, press Shift+Delete, and it will remove all of the copied items. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.